let's open Visual Studio. Okay, this is my Visual Studio new project. So it can be like Monday quiz app. Okay. Well, my first one, let me put, Session Explorer is where our files are located. We have toolbox. Voila. This is I expand. How can I? It's working. Let me get the panel. Let's do it quick. Panel. I cannot déplacer that. Déplace. Okay. I increase. Wow. Ici. To ici. This is what is the name of the name is HealthyLifeChoice Hospital. Let me copy their name. I come in label, drag, drop. How do I add text? Right click, properties. This is my properties. I put it here. I expand the top. How do I add text? Like this. But our text is so ugly. You can come in font. You look for my favorite one is my Corbel. This one you can use any you want. Board 60, 22, I guess 24. This is fine. Like I put here. My panel back color can be, what the back color can be? Red. This one, maybe it's nice for color to white. No, that might for color it can be white. HealthyLifeChoice Hospital. I guess red is color of hospital. No, I don't know. Sorry. Here I put, what do we need? We need patient. We need full name, email, and password. Only that. But this is so big. Yeah. Oh, sorry. How can I reduce? Yeah. Alright, let me take my rebel, put it here. I change the text to full name. I look for the text box. Then I come in as I did, Corbel. I increase a little bit, 16, 18. How about 18? This is fine. I put this a little bit under. I need to also come Corbel. What will be the size? 16. Still small, sorry. 18. This is fine. I increase. This is so big. Full name, like this. right? Copy, paste right here, paste right here, paste right here. Here will be my email. What? Sorry. What is email? Here will be password. How do we do again to hide the password which is being, it's in I don't remember maybe password something. Okay, this will be confirm password. What is that name? I will hide the password card here. I need this and this one, and I need the button. I just found out this is so big, but this is not designed course. I'm sorry. What is the buttons? Button. I put it right here in the middle. Can I copy the color of this? I come here, paste. Then for the same thing, copy. How do I increase the size? 40 I think is fine. No, 60 for color. Can be this one. I make it bigger. And change it to register. Mistake. Register. I increase bit the size. Voila. But yeah, this is fine, I guess. Right here in the middle. And what do we need? We need to ask the user if you already have an account so that he doesn't need to log in. You can come on link label, put it here, Bell. I change to like a 10. 12. This is fine. Bell. Or should I write? Already have an account, login. Okay, I have my sign up form, which is this one. Let me have my login form. How do we do it? Tools? No, project. Are doing those forms. Login. But I need to copy. I don't need to start again. I can see the size of this. How to get the size? You go down, size, copy, come on my login, where is size, paste. Then I come again, copy all. But how will the user know if this is sign up or do it like this? Copy, Boom. Login. Voila. So on here I can remove what? I can remove full name. If then delete, confirm, delete. Take my email right here. I increase, register, from register to login. Already have an account to don't have an account. Register. This is it. Save. What do we need? Another form? Yes. Home of a patient where you can request for the appointment, and the home for the doctors, and yeah, it will be all copy pasting. Tell me main project add windows home. What did I do? Project home patient. Let me name it patient panel. For the patient panel, still I can copy some stuffs, like now I can copy from register the size. What was the size again? The size was this one, but I think I will increase because this is what the size. Copy or paste. Okay, but this is home. Home. And remove this. Now I can keep it. What can I remove? For the patient, after making for the patient, what he can do, patient will create an account and log in. After logging, they will be able to see appointment they sent. Yeah, a button to refresh. Patient will be able to see list of doctors. Here I put home. I put what? Here I add doctor. Here I put specialty. But here I will have to increase my here I take this appointment date. That's all we need in our appointment table, I guess. Yeah, patient, doctor, appointment date, status will come automatically. I remove this, delete. Can I do what? Register. Can I put my button? Let me put it here. And then I will come and reduce. this, put this back in the middle. I remove this, delete. Then what if I need to log out? I don't know. Alright, let me keep it somewhere like here. Here. I change the name to log out. Alright, register. So as you can see, after logging, they'll be able to see appointment they sent. So to see the appointment they sent, we need to make data grid view. I put it here. I increase my eye here, like this. I reduce here. They will be able to see appointment they sent. They will be listed here, and so a button to refresh. Patient will be able to see list of doctors available. To be here, their specialty. We'll be able to delete, update the appointment. Those buttons can copy them right here. Let me increase like this. Then I bring back my this can be update one. Update. Another one can be delete. No. Another one can be put this here. Another one can be refresh. Voila. Like this. This is it. Let me change the colors. The flash can be like this one. Delete, but delete comes after update. Update can be yellow. No, this one. No, this is delete. Delete. We already have register in red. Maybe like this. I save. This is my patient home panel. Here we forgot some. This is not text box. It's a combo box to select a doctor. After selecting a doctor, his specialty will automatically came right here. Let's change this one to. Let me delete it first. Delete. Combo box. Right here. Increase the size. Can I copy the properties of this one? Copy. Voila. Now we are done with home of patient. Then I can copy those things to the doctor because they're almost same. What is the size? The size is this one. Then I can project add Windows Phone. What can I name? I name it Dr. Panel. Enter. I go down in size. Voila. Then I come here, select all. So what does the doctor need? Doctor need to log in, see list of appointments sent to him. A button to refresh appointment is here. Approve or deny appointment. So which one I'm going to remove? I remove update. No, I think it should stay here, but I change the color to green. Something is this green? Maybe. I change this to approve, and this one I change it to deny. Does he need select? Yeah, he need to click and see the name of the patient and what he want, right? So instead of doctor, here I put patient, appointment, service he need, and the date. But this one I delete. I copy, paste. This one we need, right? I remove register. I take this up. I reduce. That's it. I forgot manager. Manager is almost same to tools. No, project, add Windows form, manager. What is the size of this? Right here. Okay. Same. Copy. But for the manager, what does he need? For the manager, only you can log in, see list of appointment, a button to refresh, issue see patient who sent to enrich doctor with the status. He doesn't need this. Or he need? No, he doesn't. Delete. Take this up. I remove these two buttons. Voila, we are done. Now I can start coding. Starting by this one. Let's connect our forms first. Here there's login button. Okay. This will open which login. So I make an instance login form new login form show, then this hide. I can copy. This is done. For the login, same thing. Sign up. What is the name? It's form 1. Okay. Register. This is for linking pages. what's first? In the patient, when he click logout, what should happen to take them to login, right? Mistake. Beautiful. Okay. Even for the manage doctor, we have the same button. Even the manager. Voila. Window, close our document. I remove the toolbox. What should I do else? What should I do next is to go on my form 1. I name my text box with meaningful names. Oh, what? Sorry. Oh my god. Yeah. I take the first one. The first one I go name, full name box. Let me copy this box. I go email box, password box, confirm password box, register btn. Voilà. I will name the others later, I guess, or I can do it right now. No. Bon. We need to, what do we need? After putting the names, let's first go in view code and put the SQL configurations to connect our did we put a database? Yeah, the database is there. How about connection string? Let's get it. We can go in tools, connect to connect to database. No, yeah, server name. Do you know what's my server name? My server name is this one, desktop, but properties. This is my server name. Put, where is the tables? The database, quizzes db, test connection. Voila. Okay. Then how can I get my, what is this minimum? How can I get my connection string? I come right here. This is my connection string. Let me customer road. I come right here, SQL connection. Now I need to input it first. Your battery is running, sorry. Let me charge. I was saying we have to import it using system data SQL client. Sorry. Then SQL connection, new SQL connection, add to avoid mistakes, copy my SQL connection right here. This is it. Now when I click the register button, after that we need to replace these values with real values. I come cmd parameters add. So why did I use this at v full name, v email, is to avoid those things of concatenation where you can make mistakes. We are used to do like this, full name dot txt, but here you may make mistakes of concatenations and so on, and it's not fine for the security. Let's use this one. So it's three values, first one, second, third. So you have to put, sorry, stop, v full name txt, here will be v email password, is it password? Yeah, but before registering we need to check if password match. Password box equals confirm password.txt. This will return true or false. If it is true, this else message box show password don't match. Is it like this how I display messages? I guess. What do we put here again? Oh no. This is fine. Bon, after doing that we need to open connection. So open connection. If there is no, let's cross, because sometimes you may open when there's another connection which is open. Then I open, after open, then I put scmd int loss affected equal to cmd execute non-query. Then we check if rows affected greater or equal to 1. Create account successfully created, else account not created. But how about it's better if we put our in try and catch for more, catch SQL exception x, no. Okay, here we put there is an error. Please check your input. Your data input. Voilà. This is it. View full name, view file. Let's try it. Full name Thierry Mugisha, email t@mail.com, and the tracker 56. But remember, we need to hash our password. The tracker 56 register. Wow, additional connection property has not been initialized. Oh, Chrome open. What's happening? Chrome, did you forget to close? Okay, I see. Chrome, I have to remember to close. Chrome open, like this. Email. Same error. Why? Let me see. So I was making an error of forgetting to put the another argument of connection. This one. Let's try and start our program again. QWERTY@.com 3 register. There is an error. Please check your input. This is an SQL problem error, but we cannot know what is the error. How to debug? You see, I put exe here. I can come exe.message to see what is the error, but remove it after finding it. QWERTY me dot im register. There is an error. Please check your input. Cannot insert value now into column %id. We forgot to make it as auto increment. What is it? This one. You have to come identity specification is identity. Yes, save. Voila. Can close. Patient. Let's try it again. After debugging, I remove it. I start again. There is build expected where start. I hope this will work. t@mail.com and the register. Account successfully created. Wow. Execute. Yeah, voila. But the password is not hashed. Let's hash it, and after register, it have to take the user to the login form instead of saying on the register form. Well, after, let's hash our password. How do we hash the password? Then make a method to hash the password. Come right here under register button, or even at the top. Private string So we are not going to use bcrypt because bcrypt you need to install it. It requires internet, so sometimes you don't have internet, but if you want you can use it. String secret password. Why is it not our code? Yeah. Add byte. What is the code? Right, buffer equal encoding default get byte to get the thing secret password. Then we hash algorithm. We name it hash yeah, algorithm hash algorithm but it's not a right thing. Do I need to let me come hash algorithm, let me start a capital equal to the one we need, md. First let's show potential fix. We forgot to import. Okay, md, we need md5. We are going to use md5. Crypto service provider create. Then I do what? Byte hash buffer hash algorithm hash algorithm computer hash buffer after that string hashed pwd equal to bit converter to string. Press hash buffer, this one. Then what do we return? We return it hashed password, the place or the place where it will be dashes with 90. Voila. Then hash, where is my password hash. Let's test it. Ben homo ben at h.me.com 123 register. Context was created. Let's see if the password is hashed. Well, of course. This one is not hashed. How do I move it? Patient design, no. Patient edit, delete. Yeah. But we said we need to, after creating an account, we need to redirect them to login. Yeah, login form. Go to new login form dot show and we hide this one. Alright, let's go on our login. On our login, we are done with sign up. Login. I take this one, properties. Where is text box? Email box. Password box. Login PTM. Okay, for the login, same. I can come copy my connection, but I need to show potential using. After that, I need to come take the hash algorithm. I put it at the top. I come again, I take all of this. No, it's not even that. Yeah, it's not that. Okay, as you can copy all from this. I paste it in my login button. This one. Here I copied first the hash. Yeah. Alright, I will copy then this one to my login button. I take to my hashing thing. I will put it here, but there is no checking password. I only want to try and this one. I delete all. Voilà. But our query will be select email password from patient where email equal to email, and delete email box, email. Don't we need email? Okay, we need password. Close, close. But for here it's not execute now, it's execute reader. I want to read from the database. Execute reader. Execute. No, let me show you how we can do this. We need to come right here to connection open, then write using SQL the data reader, not data adapter. Reader equal to our CMD, then execute reader. Then before, just we have to make sure if there is something before reading, because if we don't check if there is data, we may read null values. So we check if reader has lows, if something returned, reader has lows, reader read, then we will take our reader, but let's select email password. reader, first column, which is 0 to string email, string password, reader 1 to string. Let's see. Then we compare. If password box equals password, the message will be successfully login. Then we go to patient panel. No, we also need to get the what? No, I mean we need to get the form of patient panel, go to new patient panel, dot show this dot hide. But before login, I need where he will tick if he's a doctor or patient. I can come right here, I put it down, I come in toolbox, checkbox, I add it somewhere here, up again. What was the properties of this? Garbel, this is subbing 40. Then yeah, this is my checkbox. I write a doctor. I can name it doctor. It is my login. Try. Before, so here it's where it will be. If doctor box checked, which means true, I will get my delete like this, string query, no, like this, from doctor, another one is query from patient. If doctor is checked, here we do like this, else here we do it like this, query from patient. Need to take this here, this one, So here TB select email password from doctor. Select email password. We need also role. We are not string role 2. But for the doctors, remember, not this one. We need to add a manager. Me manager. Nothing. Head. Email manager at me.com. Password can be ICDF. Here be manager. For the doctor, if password is if it's there, before going to decide which partner to go on, whether it's doctor one or it's for doctor or it's for the manager, we have to make another check. If role equals manager doctor, here it will be doctor panel. I change doctor panel show. S is the manager, of course. Manager panel. There's no manager panel. I named it manager. Manager. Voila. But for the patient, there's no need to. We only have type 1 of patient. So let's see if it can work. We forgot something. Here we are using for the password. The one in database is hashed, and we are comparing it with the one which is not hashed, entered by the user. So instead of only password, I write hash. Remember, I have hash this one. It will hash it in order to compare it. What am I doing? Sorry, it's not this. It will be hash password box txt. Hash it first, then after hashing it, compare it with the one in the database like this. But for the doctor, the password is not hashed. This is no need. Let's keep how it was. I put this on the patient password. This the txt. Yeah, for the doctor this can work, but for this patient we have to change to this hash password. Yeah, voilà. Let's try it. Do we have a patient? It's not there. t@mog.com. Register. Account is created. Let me log in. t@mog.com. Let me see if it's really there. Execute. Yes, of course. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's what the password. Maybe. Nothing is coming. Nothing is coming. And the track. Wow. Alright, this is our code, but the problem is if the password is not equal, there is no message to tell the user. Else, message box, write incorrect password, try again. And copy this too. Reader. If reader has lows, if else, this incorrect password, try again. Successful login. Let's run it and see. Thierry Mugisha t@move.com 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Register account created t@move.com 1, 2, 3. Login. Successful login. Now I'm on home. Log out. Let me log in as let me see if the patient is there. Let me log in as a doctor. Do you have a doctor? Let me see the credentials. I have like this one, John Smith, and let's put wrong thing. Login. I think we forgot to put. Didn't put. Maybe we forgot to put some validation. So John Smith at 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm a doctor. Login. Successful login. Okay. What? Smith has the doctor role of doctor, but the manager one is the one which one came. Why? We don't know. Let's check. Incorrect password if hash equal to a password that equals to password role equals to doctor. I forgot. Here you have to be same in capital. Here it's capital. It needs also to be in capital letter. Login. John Smith. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I'm a doctor. Login. Voila. I'm getting the panel of a doctor. Then if I log in as with this guy, manager, with password of ACDF, I'm a doctor. Login. Successful login. I see his panel. So I think you're seeing how I'm doing for the role. You have to check the role if it is doctor. Let's go on this page. On the authentication we are done, we can proceed with requesting appointment. Alright, for patient panel. Bon, here we need to get the doctors from database. How do we do it? I double click in empty space like this one. I get this method where it's ending my load. If you're not seeing load, it's the wrong one. Let us make a method to get all the doctors and populate them in that combo box. That will be great, I guess. Here we have how do we do it? SQL. We need to import it first using SQL system data SQL client. But let me add it here. Okay, SQL connection. Let me copy. Copy. Let me make my method private void get doctors now display doctors use SQL data adapter SDA new SQL data adapter. Here it's our query connection. So I mean, right, select. We only need their full name. Okay, we need their full name. Select full name. What else? Specialization. Specialization, no? Maybe, yeah, specialization, specialization. Is it like this? Spécialisation. Voilà. Where, but we don't need the manager to come to. Where, unless he's a doctor, where role not equal to manager. As the manager. So you know why I did? Okay, I did manager where role is not equal to manager because the manager, if he's not a doctor, is no need to display him in our combo box. Or we can just get it as it no it is. But we don't need specialization on this part. We need his doctor ID. Doctor underscore ID. Right? Dataset DS new dataset SDA field. Do you know what we put here? It's DS and what? The table name. No. It's doctor. Our table is named doctor. Select doctor where from doctor. So I take doctor, I put it here, doctor. Then after that, my combo box is named. What's the name of my? And then it's combo box 1. Doctor combo box specialty. I remember I didn't change for this one. Specialty box appointment date. This is not even the one I get. The right one is date time picker. Really? Yeah. So I can copy. I did this one. I replace my font. It's so big. let me put, it says is me calendar font. There is calendar and 12. Now change. Yeah, this is a event. Let's keep like this. Properties, date, appoint, date box. This is appoint and BTN. Change it to send. Let's continue. So our combo box is doctor combo box, and then we look for value. No, selected. What's selected value? No, it's not the one. Data source. What's our data source? Our data source is ds.tables like this, doctor, right? Then doctor combo box, value member is like this, member, I guess, value member will be value member equal to doctor ID, the column name as is. So there is also doctor display member. What the user will see is just a full name. Voila, display doctor. This is for displaying doctors. So after displaying doctors, what do we need? We need to void private void display specialties. Right. String doctor ID. So for this one we need to get the doctor specialty. So I write xqadd command cmd equal new sql command con okay, same thing. Select specialization from doctor, where doctor ID equal to v doctor ID. Then I come right here, parameters, and the values v at v doctor. What should I put here? It's doctor ID. After this, we close the connection if there is any connection. Open, close, then open. I take my specialty box txt equal to cmd execute scala. This can work. I think it is one thing. Great. Cannot convert object to string because it's only one. Select from object id. After that, we close our connection. Close. Will this gonna work? Display specialties. I call my method here. No. This one. But we need to check if there is any doctor. Remember, length greater or equal to 1. Voila. What else do we need in patient appointment? Send list. We need this button. No, let's first see if it is working at least. Start. Login. Who am I? Who is the patient again? We have Thierry the patient and also doctor. And the login. It's not working. It's not working. The doctors are not coming. Why? Why? I forgot to call the method. Start. Login. Login. What? There is an error. Additional information, invert column name manager, where role is equal to manager. You see why? I have to put this in quote. Let's run. I thought it's a column because it is login again. Additional information, conversion failed when converting the n varchar value to data type integer. The doctor ID is integer and we are converting to what? I don't know. Let's change it. Let's fix this one. Text box. I can just, how can we fix this easy way? How can we fix it then? How is our query? Let's try. Let's see. Let's read the error and try to understand what is dermatology.com. Login, 6-way login. Then after logging, there is this program. Addition information, conversion failed when converting the n varchar value doctor ID to data type int. Select specialization from doctor where doctor ID equal to v doctor ID. This is wrong. we are passing, but this is right. Remember, doctor ID. This like this to here. 1 doctor ID. I don't know why it's not working. But for the ID, how about we use just the email? Yeah, let's change here. Let's get his email full name from doctor. Where is it? Then here we change to email as the value. Then doctor combo box from doctor where doctor ID where email equal to email. Here I change to email. This one too. Then, but here sometimes if there is no value with this to cause an error, we have to check first if there is something before populating to our text box. Let's check if cmd execute scalar not equal to null. If it is not equal to null, it can populate our text box. Specialty box, we write inside something like select a doctor. Voila. I hope this is gonna work. Start. What is expected where display doctors. How did I know? Start login t@moog.com 1 2 3 login. Voila, we have the doctors. If I select this one, I should get his specialty here, but it's not coming. How about we make it read only? Let's make this one read only, and when you select the doctor, his specialty will come right here. What is my combo specialty? How can I do that? Read only right here. True. And then text, double click, select index changed. When I change the index, I will call this one my method. Then I put doctor combo box remember. Right? Oh, like this. Let's see. Email. That's the email. Login. Okay. Voila. And I select John Smith, and nothing is coming. Oh, why? Is it because I made it read only? I guess no. Why? The reason why it's not displaying anything. Display specialty. I think when you are getting the value of a combo box, it's not like this. It's not value member, but rather it's selected value, then you transform it to string like this. So our method then, so here we are checking if there is something. After that, we execute, select the doctor. Alright. I change here to selected value to string. It's now set, okay. Start. T@mog.com 123 login. Nothing is coming even now. Oh, why? I think I see. Okay, even here, let's do this. Selected value not equal to null. How about I copy this one like this? Put it inside here. Then for this, when we select a doctor, it is putting his specialty, then again it is resetting it to the selected doctor. This was supposed to be in else statement. Let's see now. Login as this guy. Login. Voila. I can select, see? Select the date. This. And send. Let's program our send button. So our send button is send. Alright, when we send, it's just a simple insert. So I can copy this one. Let me first, can copy. It's already there. Can just copy my register. Try. Like this. But for us, we're not checking password, we are checking if, but everything is there even. Yeah. Let me do this, try. Like this. Instead of patient, it's what? Appointment. Insert into appointment. Yeah, but remember now we are using email as the identifier of a doctor. So I have to remove to change the relationships. Are you sure to delete? Yes. This is no longer a foreign key, but the foreign key will be email. Then I take my email back here. Appointment. Okay, the primary key table is email. Foreign key will be doctor. The foreign of column do not match those of there's problem of matching. You know why? Because appointment ID. Because here doctor is integer, supposed to be nvarchar. Because our email here is also nvarchar. Alright. Like this. So email. Here I select doctor. Voila. Yes. Okay. So when I want to insert to be in appointment table, what will I insert? I'll insert patient, doctor, appointment date. So what I need here is patient, doctor, appointment date. Here will be patient, doctor, voila. Oh, let's change here to doctor. How can we get the patient ID? Okay, there is a way. On login, when we log in the patient, we will grab his ID and pass it to this class of patient panel. How can we do it? You come in. So here we're selecting only email, password, and role. Let's also select patient ID. Now it's 0, 1, 2, 3. This is for the doctor. For the patient is 1. 0. Now it's not like this. Now 0 is this. Now this is 1. This is 2. I will pass it like this. String patient ID equal to copy pass 0. Think is 0 patient ID. Then I pass it in my class. It's saying does not contain a constructor that takes one argument. So I go in my patient panel. I add on fabric string patient ID. Now the issue is solved on login. So it means this patient ID will be passed here. Then I get it. After getting it, let me declare private string patient ID to be, then I can patient ID equal to patient ID. Now I can use my patient ID anywhere I want. I come right here, I pass it here. Doctor, this will be combo box, doctor combo box, selected value to string. This will be this will be what? Appointment date value dot date. So this is patient, doctor, and this is patient. Sorry, like this, same as this. This is our insert into appointment. Account appointment successfully sent. Appointment not sent. Yeah, I think this will work. Let's test it. But before, let's check if our patient ID is really auto-incrementing patient ID. Edit this specification. Yes. No, not patient. I mean appointment identity. It's no. We have to put it at yes. Alright. Let's run. I log in. Login.com and try login. John Smith, this one, the date I choose 20, I put 8, send. There is an error, please check your inputs. There is an error, this is coming from SQL. Let's see what's the error. Plus x.message, start, login, login, send. There's an error, please check your input, cannot insert the value now into a column appointment ID table quizzes. The set has been terminated. I didn't save. Let's send again. Appointment successfully sent. Okay, let's it went to the login because we forgot to change here. Okay, we will change it later. Let's see if the appointment is on our database. Alright, appointment ID, patient ID, doctor, date, status, create that. So after sending the appointment, you want to refresh and okay, as the question say, after logging in, they'll be able to see appointment they have sent. So we have to, let me put somewhere like here, private void display appointments. For this one, we're displaying appointment. You can use SQL data adapter like this. Okay, SQL data adapter SDA equal to new SQL data adapter. So here will be my query con. So how my query should be, if I just write select everything from appointment, I will get this ID patient 4. Oh, you will know it's a doctor. I need this. I only need patient. And I need full name, doctor, appointment date, and what, and status. Yeah, status. So they are doing invert column name, full name. You see why I'm doing this. Status. I will join tables. Join which one? Doctor on doctor dot email equal to appointment dot doctor. Join again patient and doctor patient ID equal to I join patient on patient ID equal to appointment dot no patient. I think it's gonna work. Okay, full name, they say it's ambiguous because they are same. Appointment AP patient paid. Sorry, what's this? AP from sorry, join doctor doc appointment at then I come here. This is will be pat dot doc. Okay, this is SQL query. Voila, we are getting this full name, appointment date, status, appointment date, right? So I can copy my, I think you understand this query. I copy where in my, but it's on condition where, but I can put it here, where we need part dot patient ID. Where patient ID equal to v patient ID. Patient ID. Let me just pass it. Patient ID. Alright. Where part patient. Okay. After that, I will only I'm going to get the patient my appointment which are mine. I'm not getting to get all appointments. So I think you get that one. So after doing that, we do dataset ds equal new dataset sda field ds table name appointment data. Do I have a data grid view? What is the name of my data grid view? Yeah, appointment made data grid appointment data source is ts tables appointment. Voila. Let's see if this is gonna work. Display appointment. I call it here. There's also where right here. Like this. Sent. Login. work.com, login. Voila. Now you can see I have this person full name one. But we can change the name of our query. Status pending. Alright, you can refresh, update, delete. I don't know. Appointment. Let's change here. Where is our display appointment? Select patient ID, full name as per patient ID as full name as patient name. If there is spaces, we have to put this as doctor name as appointment date as status. Login t@gmail.com. Login. Voila. It's big, but yeah, I don't know how to adjust. Why is not auto adjusting even? Yeah, patient ID, patient name, doctor name, patient date, status pending. Alright. You saw the problem of displaying in our data grid view. It was not nice. We can fix that using a for loop by giving same width to all columns. I can use for each. Yeah. I can do like this for each. Data grid view column in appointment data grid view columns. I take a column auto size mode equal to data grid view auto size column mode fill. Can this work? I think yes. Start t@move.com Alright. That's so cute, right? It is filling all the space. Appointment date. Okay, I don't know. We can reduce the text size to date. Maybe this is fine. But what's next? We can send our appointment for the update delete. Let's do update delete and see and do it. Refresh. So for the refresh, I just can call my display appointment again. This is done. But for update I need to grab the patient ID update PTM. Delete PTM. For the update, we need to, when I click on a patient, on an appointment made, you should populate here. I choose another doctor, specialty, appointment date, and so on. Then, but for the update, for the delete, you just delete, right? Let me do update. For the update, I can copy this, all of this, copy, update, appointment, set, patient is still. Now we change the doctor, set doctor, go to v doctor, waters, appointment date equal to the condition will be where patient ID equal to v patient. Like this, update appointment, set doctor, we change the doctor and we change the date where patient ID is equal to. So the patient ID is already here, the doctor will be the one which is selected, the appointment will be the same. Appointment updated. Appointment not updated. Not updated. Patient, this for updating. So I need, then how do we auto-populate when someone click on one law? We should get the data in my input box. How do we do it? You come here in events, you check for in mouse panel, mouse right here, you check cell click, you go inside, you double click, this is our event. Then when it is clicked, we check if there is laws inside. If data, what is my appointment data grid view laws dot count than 0. If there is something, loop for each data grid upon data grid view law for each law in my appointment data grid view law selected laws. So I forgot to declare law appoint date txt equal to law dot search value to string converted. Okay, here I put the column if it is 0, 1, 2, 3,
So our appointment date is on which column? There is 1, 2, 3, 4. The patient ID is 0, 1, 2, 3. Is 3 like this. Let's try and run and see. Login tmog.com. Let's go to John Smith. I select 22, send. This is my on 22, and maybe on 22 the doctor is not available. We want to change to 23. I select. As you can see, 22 is selected. But if I select like this one, it will be on 7, because here it's 7. So I select this one. As you can see, it's changing. Then I put 23. Then update. There is an error. Please check your input. Invert column name patient ID. There is an error on my update button, but for the other one it's working. Patient ID. There is no column named patient ID. Read. Appointment. Yeah, I was supposed to change appointment ID. By appointment ID. Appointment ID. Appointment ID. The appointment ID. But not only this, you can also include and patient ID equal to the patient ID. I duplicate this one. Patient. So for how are we going to get the appointment ID? In our select patient ID, this was not necessary. The patient ID I think is not necessary, but rather we want appointment ID, right? Let's change to appointment ID as appointment ID. 0. Now, but there is changes again. 0, 1, 2. I still say appointment ID. Doctor combo box. Yeah. Like this one. And then how are you going to get the appointment ID? When I click on the cell, I want to get the appointment ID, but there is no a box where I can put the appointment ID. I can put a label somewhere like here, and I hide it. Let me show you. Toolbox, label, right here. I come in properties, changes to, no, not here. Yeah, it's here. Appointment ID label. So but I have to hide it. visible force to not show the icon here. Txt equal to 0 because it's the first variable. Then I take this, I put it right here. Let's run. I think Gasabo T .com 1, 2, 3 login. Take this one. You see you are not seeing the label because it's hidden. Put on 23. Let's see what was there. What's this? Incorrect syntax. It was on 22. I changed it to 23. Update. There's an error. Pre-check your input. Invert column name. Patient ID. Why? Am I updating patient ID? Look, update appointment set doctor. Appointment date. Where? Here is not patient ID, but it's patient. Sorry, like this. Login. Mog.com 1, 2, 3. Login. I select this one. It's 23. I select this one. 22. 24. I put this guy. Update. Appointment updated. See, now it's 24. Update is working well. Let's do delete. Let's do the delete. Updated. Okay. For the delete is simple. Take this. I copy. Or can I remove this? Delete appointment. Where appointment ID is equal to this one. Appointment deleted. But what if someone come and click update without selecting anything here? We need to handle that. Like this label, I may change this text to be none. Then I come here. Before updating, I will check. What am I doing? I check if appoint.txt equals none, because you see it's none. Message box. Please select an appointment to update. can just do it like this. What do you want? Yes. Like this. Okay. For the delete is same. Please select an appointment to delete. Let's try. Let's try. If we log in, let's delete without selecting. Pre-select an appointment to delete. And select this one. Delete. Appointment deleted successfully. Voila. This is it. After we have to reset our thing, our text. Appointment deleted to be again now. Oh, what am I even doing? Okay, I'm repeating myself. If it's sketch here to avoid repetition. Let's see, because I may click to delete again when it is already deleted. Like I click this one, delete, and then I come delete again. Yeah. Voila. Okay, now I can send an appointment. I can refresh, update, delete. For all the things on the patient panel is done. Let's go on doctor's panel. Okay, we already have everything. It's just copy paste. All we don't have is approve or deny. Okay. Let's find doctor panel. Are these text box named? No. Patient box, service box, appointment box. This one is date, not I can copy this one, replace, delete. Refresh my button. Approve. Deny. Alright. So on load of when the doctor open this, I double click in here to get the load. So what the doctor should get, is it same as this one? Display appointment. Maybe yes, maybe no. Let's check. Display appointment. Please, I need to import this. I need also SQL connection. Yeah, my appointment. What the name of my grade view? My grade view is this one. Alright, fixed. Okay, so we select appointment ID, patient full name, doctor name. We don't need doctor name. Doctor rather needs specialization as service. Patient name, service, appointment date, status. Okay, this gonna work. Let's call it. But for and okay, remember here it says login and see list of appointment sent to only him. Only him. If you not see other doctor's appointment, it's only him. So it means here we select where condition will be doctor ID. So we need to pass it and login too. You saw how I did. I come on is it doctor ID, doctor, or let us use its email, which is the primary thing. Yeah, email or the email on the so I will pass like this, copy. Yeah, if loss equal to doctor. Here email is on 0. Here it's doctor ID. So I pass the doctor ID in doctor panel. It will say blah blah blah. I didn't. I just string doctor I declare private string doctor ID equal to doctor ID. Now it's alright, doctor ID. Let's see which doctors do we have. We have Bandana, we have John. Let's see, appointment made to Bandana. His password is QWERTY. I'm a doctor. Oh, it's crashing. Additional information. The conversion failed when converting the varchar value Bandana Hawk to type integer. Am I converting varchar to integer? Email. Oh, yeah, here it's It's email, not patient ID. Bandana Hawk, QWERTY, doctor, login. Voila. He doesn't have any, really, he doesn't have any appointment assigned to him. I don't know, maybe. Let's log out and log in as one of my patients, Darcy and Detroit. So Darcy sending appointment to on 14, send, log out, then Bandana Hawk, QWERTY, forgot. No, nothing is coming. Why? Let's check the query in our SQL. What is it? What can it? New query. Even here nothing is coming. You don't. Here is not parties doc. Right? Yeah. Here we change to doc. We run. Bandana Hawk. Login. Voila. So he wants when he select, you get the patient name here, the service, the date, then he approve or deny. Same thing. So same thing, I will come on my patient panel. You know what I'm going to do? I copy all of this. I go right here. Right here. They say it doesn't have appointment label. I take it too. Why not? I put it right here. Save. But the appointment ID number 3 is 0, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it is. But for now, we need to get 0 appointment ID, patient name, patient box, which will be on 1. Need to service box, which is on 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. Status, yeah, status. SC, Bandana Hawk, login, 1, 2, no, QWERTY, I'm a doctor, I select, it's not coming, not coming, not coming, not coming. Why? This is not coming. Can you check this in here? Set click. Oh, my was not registered. Double click. set click. Right. Okay. Let me copy this. I put it here. I did it. My event was not registered. I don't know what I did here. What? I try again. I'm a doctor. Login. Voila. Voila. What we're going to do is to approve or deny. So the approve or deny, approve, deny. How are you going to do? I come in my patient panel. I take this one, to pre-select an appointment to approve. Update appointment set. Status denied. Where appointment ID equal to is this, and the patient. So where are we getting the patient ID? Appointment ID and appointment ID. We can just ignore this one. I only remain with this. Appointment ID. Appointment denied. Appointment not denied. Denied, yeah, something like that. I copy these two. Copy paste. Oh, I think I mixed it. This one, pre-select an appointment to deny. I think I mixed it. This is for deny. This is for approve. I changed to approved. Approved. It's done. Right. Start. Login. Bandana Hawk. 130. I'm a doctor. Login. This is Darcy. Approve. Appointment approved. Voila. Pending. Denied. So if Thierry login, you will see if he has been approved or denied. See, denied. Voila. I made a typo. Approved. So we are done for the doctor panel. For the manager, same thing. Same. For the manager, let's do it quick. Manager can only see what's happening. So I double click here. I come right here. Where should I SQL? Come right here. Doctor. Display. Appointment. Oh, then I call it here appointment grid view. I name this as appointment grid view. My refresh button, refresh button. I call my method right in. Okay. Here I forget to close. So you log in. It's a list of appointments sent to all doctors. Button to refresh is there. You should see patient who sent it and to which doctor with the status. So here we don't need any condition because we'll be able to see appointment for all doctors. What else? All doctors, refresh is there. So we have to change the query. I think we have to change appointment ID, patient name, doc full name, doctor name, appointment date as date, status as status. You can also let's also get the specialization. Why not? Doc specialization as service. Voila. What is he is what manager ACDF login. Voila. You can see all for the doctors. You can see the ID, patient name, doctor name, service, date, and status. Let's reduce appointment. Let's put this. So as you can see, when I run, the first page to come is the sign up. Let's change it to be login. That's all. Start. Our app is done. Email. Okay, let's make a new user. Karim. No, register. Karim M. Karim M.com. 123. Register. Email. Karim M.com. 123. She can log in. There's no any appointment. She make one with John Smith, dermatology, date 9th, send. Okay, this is the appointment. You can select, change the date to be 10, update. She can make another one, send. You can see, but the date you want to change it to be 12, update. Alright, log out. What's the email of bandana 1 QWERTY, I guess. I'm a doctor. 6 login. Karin is right here. But you have to make a query to order so that recent request to be on top. Because Karen just make. Let's do it quick. Doctor order by created at descending. You see how it's nice? Oh, what did I copy? Doctor, even on patient panel, I put it there. Oh, sorry. Doctor panel is there, manager panel is there. Alright. And email QWERTY. I'm a doctor. Login. So this is the you can upload. Okay, approved. Approved. Yeah, I wrote approved. Yeah. So Karin can log in again. Karin.com and approved. But John Smith can deny. Who is John Smith? John Smith is John Smith. And get local census. I'm a doctor. It's pending. Deny. Voila. Manager 1, 2, 3. No. ACDF. Login. Voila. You can see all the report. So this is it. Thank you.